Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering intelligent warehouse management system solutions that provide real-time inventory visibility, streamlined warehouse operations, and faster order fulfillment. Warehouses today face challenges in maintaining inventory accuracy, managing growing order volumes, reducing fulfillment errors, and achieving real-time operational visibility. Brilliant Warehouse Management System provides complete control over inventory, warehouse workflows, and order fulfillment through intelligent automation and real-time visibility. The warehouse journey begins with receiving. Incoming materials are validated using Barcode or RFID technology, automatically updating inventory records and generating electronic goods receipt notes. Brilliant WMS recommends optimal storage locations based on inventory rules, space availability, and product characteristics, guiding operators through efficient put-away tasks. When customer orders are released, the system generates optimized picking tasks. Using handheld devices, barcode validation, and pick-to-light technology, operators can quickly and accurately pick inventory. Orders are verified, consolidated, packed, and prepared according to customer and carrier requirements. Shipping labels and documentation are generated automatically. Brilliant WMS streamlines dispatch operations by validating shipments, coordinating loading activities, and updating inventory records in real time while ensuring shipment visibility. Powerful dashboards provide real-time visibility into inventory levels, warehouse productivity, order fulfillment performance, storage utilization, and operational KPIs. Organizations using Brilliant WMS achieve higher inventory accuracy, faster order fulfillment, reduced operational costs, improved productivity, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.